Hi, it's me, Sandee with 2 E's. I am going to give you a tour of my art studio because I promised a artist friend of mine that I would send her a video once it was all cleaned up. It's never been this clean, so I thought today is the perfect day to clean it up. Now, why is it so clean? I'll tell you why it's so clean. I have PGS. Has anyone heard of PGS? Pre-guest syndrome? Really motivating for cleaning. So now I'm coming in straight from the doorway, and that is my desk right there. The nice big window beside it. And on the top right is a curtain rod that holds fibers for if I ever need any fiber to do fiber arts. And those are just IKEA bookshelves, which are awesome. Can't go wrong with bookshelves. I'm just walking towards my desk. And then there's a bunch of little drawers in between the IKEA bookshelves because we had to leave room there for an electrical outlet. So that was the perfect size to fit all of those in, which comes in really handy. There's my horse, of course. It's got to get done. That's next on my list. And there's the patio door. And there is a whiteboard where my new system is going to be to put little tasks on there and then tick them off when they're done so I know what the very next step is. This hopefully will save me some time. And oh, I love typewriters. I have like 3 or 4 of them. It's bad, I know. I just love them so much. Dave was helping clean out the office many years ago and he brought it home and goes, "Hey, I thought you'd love this." Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. And here is a good idea for other artists. I mean, it's pretty simple, right? It's a pegboard with some boards and some hooks. But these are all my inks and I need more boards because I have more inks to put up there. It's embarrassing, but I'm just going to be honest. And then turning, there's a full-size bathroom for guests. They come. Oh, here's my very first canvas I ever made. And it's still up there to remind me of my very first one. And then this art piece, my daughter has been so patient. I'm supposed to paint the sides for her. I won't give it to her until I paint the sides. I'm really fussy about that. And yeah, it's been a while, so I guess I better get that done so she can have it. And then this way is another IKEA. See if I can back up here, but it's my main source of holding supplies in as well. This is very decorative, but it's beautiful. It makes me happy. I love mannequins. She's so pretty. Charlene, if you're watching this, you'll have to help me. Maybe pick out another outfit for Betty. She's needing a new do, I think. Go to Value Village and find her something cool. Okay, and this is really cool. It's just an antique drawers. And there's ribbon in here and lace in here. And then these hold all of my rubber stamps and goodies. It's my favorite drawer. One of my favorite drawers. Look at all those pretty stamps. How cool. Okay. And I'll show you another drawer in here. This is a mixed media drawer. This is, if you ever want to know what's in my drawers, here you go. Here's my secret. How fun is that? That is a mixed media drawer right there. Goes that, and let's see. I hope I'm not making you dizzy. Oh well, I'm trying my best. Then I'm just coming over here, and there's again, the door that goes outside. And then in here is where I store all of my art supplies. I know it's really embarrassing. I have a room just for art supplies. So here, I'll go here. When you see those little jokey things on Facebook about how, you know, art supplies, I don't know, are better than anything kind of thing. Yeah, I really mean it. So I did start alphabetical, but yeah, that didn't. I gotta fix that. So if you do notice that, but I do try to clump certain things together. And then I've got some drawers, and then another IKEA. Yeah, it's pretty awesome when you have a lot of cupboards and stuff that you can put it in, then it doesn't look so messy. And there's extra chairs in case, you know, anyone wants to come over and visit me and have some wine. Yeah, and admire this beautiful art space. There's a window. And this is called a scrap rack. I don't know if I'm going to keep it though. If anyone's ever seen one, they have pages that flip and you can keep a whole bunch of stuff in it. I'm not sure if it's the best system. And then under here, more containers, more things. And then in here is a closet. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, this is the board on the floor. Oops. Okay, well, all right. And in here, I keep all of my canvases and wood canvases and frames, things like that. It's kind of nice because all that mess can go behind. Hey, that looks cool. Hey, that's from the mirror. Ooh, neato. Okay, that works. Okay, I'm going back out to the art room. Oh, wait, there's more. Sorry guys, there's more in here, but you know, more drawers, more things. And then when I swing over here, 2 art carts. I love art carts from IKEA. And they're just the best. I just love them. And there's horse, of course. It's going to be my next project to complete. And here's my main working area. I'm getting behind the desk instead of in front of the desk now. I'll walk you over this way. Oh, yeah, look at that typewriter. I have 4 typewriters. I can't help it. I'm in love with typewriters, and if I see them at an antique store for a good price, I will buy it. But not anymore. That's enough now. No more. And then, oh, this peg wall this column really worked out good for me because I've got 4 sides to this column. It prevents the room from being open, but on the other hand, it's really great storage. So here I'm keeping all my art supplies so I can reach them, like just from the desk. And then scissors, all the stuff I use all the time. Oh, paint brushes, rulers. Oh, I gotta show you this. I gotta really try to show you this. This is my collage. This is how I organize my collage. It took me forever to figure out this system, but it's just a wooden tray, and then these are from the dollar store. And then I just sort of sorted things because I like to flip and I need to see things fast. So everything is in there ready to go when I'm doing my art journaling. So I hope somebody could use this idea because it took me years to finally figure out something that worked for me. Oh, and I made all of these little envelopes out of vellum. It was actually tracing paper. It's from Nick the Booksmith, where she shows us how to make vellum envelopes out of tracing paper. I'll try to link the video below if I remember to do that. Yeah, so here we are, going around and around. I know, this typewriter, oh, I just love it so much. Yeah, Dave brought it home one day. They were cleaning out their office, and he brought it home, and he said, "Oh, I think you would really like this." Yeah, I do. I love it. And there's my washi tape. Here's my desk. More desk. I guess I can move back here. Okay, yeah. So this usually is where my granddaughter sits. Or I'm messy and I hog up all of this space. That's where my computer goes. Oops, sorry about my finger there. Oh, this is my latest project. I've been working on this journal. And I'll do a flip through of that. It'll be coming soon. Oh, it's unreal. It's so beautiful. You can see it. But I'm almost done, and I'll do a video on that too. How about that? How about that? Amateur's gonna do more videos. Okay, we're gonna go over to the bookshelf. So all my books are organized into sections. So one section would be on collage, one section would be on bookmaking, one section will be on mixed media, you name it. There's a beautiful art piece that my niece Nicole made. I just love it. And I love journals. I collect them. Oh, I just love displaying little things in here. Oh, here's a little book I made. And I'm going to run out of battery. I took a class at Artful Gatherings. I made this cool little book. Look at that. Goes there. Oh, Sandee with 2 E's. There's a story behind that angel, which I'll be telling one day. And then drawers. This is the perfect spot for all these drawers because there was electrical plugins that we couldn't cover up with the shelves, so these fit perfectly. And then there's horse, of course. And this is going to be my next project. It's next on the queue. And then I just got this up last night. My husband put it up for me, this big whiteboard. And I was just thinking I'm going to put in the next steps to my project so that I can just tick it off. So when I come down, I can get ready to go. Next step, do this. I think I could get stuff done faster. I don't know. I hope so. Wish me luck on that one. Okay, there's the guest room. If anyone wants to come over to this bed and breakfast. There, I'm just doing a full sweep, thinking if I forgot anything, and I don't think I did. Here, I'm going to go up here, and there we are. Okay, well, I'm going to just head off now, and I hope this isn't too horrible to watch, and always remember, see if I can do this. You can fly. Bye for now.